Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by collecting proof, statements, receipts, and the exact date the payment was late. Call your card issuer's customer retention or billing team while on that page. Explain why the payment was late, short-term cash flow, bank delay, or illness, and ask politely for a courtesy reversal of the late fee and reporting. Offer specific dates and show payment proof. Once done, request the representative's name and confirmation number for your records and the next follow-up. Once the issuer acknowledges the error or circumstance, move to negotiation. You ask for a goodwill deletion of the late payment from reporting bureaus, emphasizing your prior on-time history and corrective actions like auto-pay. If declined, politely ask to escalate to a supervisor or the disputes department. Make clear you will follow up in writing via secure message or certified letter. Make sure to confirm how long the process takes. Finish by formally documenting everything. Send dispute letters to the credit bureaus and a written complaint to the issuer if necessary. You include copies of payment proof and prior correspondence and request a timely investigation. Make sure to calendar follow-ups in 30 and 45 days. If the bureaus rule against you, escalate to a supervisor or file a complaint with the regulator. Troubleshooting tip. If the issuer claims proof of payment, insist they provide timestamps and bank traces, then request a reinvestigation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.